Here we are, folks. Welcome back. I'm going to do a quick review lesson of lessons 2-9 through 2-11. It's basically a big one-step equations review. Multiply, divide, fractions, decimal, not fractions yet, decimals, whole numbers, integers. Let's go ahead and do a brief, quick homework check. So you've already checked your odd answers in the back of the book. Let's check the evens. Pause and come back when you're ready. And we'll move on to the next page. This is for assignment number 14, page 53 and page 55. Again, check your answers, pause, come back when you're ready. So please send me your questions, email me your questions, bring me your questions the next day. We do have a quiz coming up. But let's go. We're going to do a scavenger hunt today, which is going to be awfully challenging if you are watching this at home. Yeah, so I guess it won't be quite out of order. That'll make it a little easier to check your answers, but please do this in good faith. You're not going to cheat me. You're going to cheat yourself if you just copy down answers and don't do any work. So get this, use this to be ready for the quiz and or tests coming up. Here's the deal for those of you doing a scavenger hunt. If you've ever done anything before, it really doesn't matter what problem you start with. So pick any random problem. For those of you virtual only students, just pick the very first problem. Copy that problem down here. And then I'm making this problem up. Please don't write that down because that's not really one of the problems. Then you're going to do your algebra lines. Now, an old teacher, Mrs. Gowdy, used to call this the 4 algebra lines. Sometimes mine end up being 5. Get rid of +3 with minus. Again, copy the problem, show your work, then your solution. Usually I circle that. Check it. Now, this is her 4th line, but I sometimes go all the way to the 5th line just to make sure my computation is correct. Once you find that you have checked it correctly, take that answer, that solution of x is equal to 7, and write it in the solution box. Then, for those people in class, they'll go hunting around and finding wherever it says 7. For the rest of you, make sure you look at the next placard that says 7, and it's going to give you a new problem. Again, I'm making this up, so don't go around looking for something that says 7. Once you write the new problem down, copy that problem, write your algebra steps as your work, and then circle your solution. This is the 4th line, that checking. Sorry, that equal sign looks like a Z. Is 84 divided by 4 in fact 21? Well, yes, in fact it is. So I copy my solution, M is 84. Again, people in the classroom will then go around the room scavenger hunting their way to find 84. Everybody else, find the next problem and write that problem down, then show your algebra steps and keep on keeping on. That's all I have for today, folks. Again, no real way for virtual only students to check your answers other than if you do it correctly, your answer will be the next card that you're seeing at home. Everybody else, we'll see you around class. We'll be doing this in class. Take care. See ya.